Hey, sound detectives! Welcome back to Daily Quiz. Are you ready to give your ears a workout? Today, we're playing Guess the Logo Sound. Can you catch the sounds from brands like McDonald's, TikTok, and Netflix? We've got 40 questions, and you've only got 8 seconds for each one. Smash that sub, listen close, and let's see who's the true sound champion. Here comes the first sound. Which logo do you think makes this sound? Too easy. It's YouTube. Listen up. What logo comes to mind when you hear this? That's definitely Instagram. Do you recognize that sound? No doubt, it's McDonald's. Keep those eyes sharp. Where's the burger hiding? Amazing, it's in the third one. Next question. Identify the brand that this logo belongs to. That's Apple for sure. Have you ever heard this sound before? It belongs to Netflix. Take a moment and guess the logo. Amazing, it's Doritos. Time for a tough choice. Would you rather say goodbye to Doritos or tap that like button? No contest. Hit like and save those Doritos. Wow, that sounds iconic. Can you name the brand? Discord's the answer. Name this logo by the sound. That could only be TikTok. What logo matches this sound? This one's owned by Candy Crush. Can you guess the logo that makes this sound? Wendy's. Challenge time. Memorize the position of all these logos. So where's Wendy hiding? There it is, in number 3. Next is a familiar sound. Can you guess the brand? Say hello to Disney. I bet you can't guess this one. Fantastic, it's Pringles. Keep on going. You're doing great. Definitely Minecraft. Pay close attention and make your best guess. It's 20th Century Fox. How about this one? Pizza Hut. Can you identify this logo sound? You've got it! It's Lego time! This is too easy for you. Pixar's correct. Hey, are you ready for a Pixar challenge? Which one of these is a Pixar movie? And the correct answer's Inside Out. Next, which logo's this? It's KFC. Which brand uses this signature sound? Chupa Chups. High five. Next question. You probably won't even need 8 seconds for this one. It's that easy. Super Mario. Where's the real Mario? A, B, or C? If you say B, you got a correct answer. Ready to dive back in? Let's guess this logo sound. No question about it, it's Windows. I know you'll guess this one in record time. Are you ready? Coca-Cola. Which logo's behind this sound?
Pizza, pizza. Pizza, pizza.
That one's clearly Little Caesars.
Pizza, pizza. Pizza, pizza.
Name this logo by the sound. Marvel. Listen closely. Which logo's this? Nokia. Do you remember which color this is? Yeah, it's a bright, brilliant red. Next one. What's the logo sound here? You're right, it's 7-Up. Almost there. What brand pops into your head when you hear this? Absolutely, it's Lay's. Are you familiar with this song? Nice work! It's Among Us. Can you figure out this logo by the sound? Cocomelon's the correct answer. This is too easy for you. Messenger. What's your answer? Nintendo. Final challenge. Guess the logo by the sound. Did you recognize this logo? Comment down below. Thank you for participating in today's challenge. If you like this video, remember to press the subscribe button and turn on notifications. See you again in the next video. Goodbye!